The film I'm currently working on trying to direct is called Sons of Romans, Sons of Vikings. That's the working title right now. It's going to be a short film, probably around 10 minutes long. The storyline revolves around the Norman incursions in Italy in the 11th century, and so the script that I wrote calls for 6 Italian men-at-arms. And so I decided to arm them with spears because these spearheads are relatively inexpensive, so I could buy a bunch of them. I bought these off of buythesword.com, and I'll put a little link in the description box below if anybody cares to look at it. But in the Middle Ages, this is also a very practical weapon as well because they were, again, cheap to make, but also highly effective for the cost. And these are meant for stage combat and reenacting use, so they are 100% dull on the edges there, which is great, so that actors can safely use those without hurting themselves. But they've also got this giant bulb on the end, which looks a little too fake. So what I'm going to try and do is forge out these ends into a little bit more of a point, just to try and make them look a little better, dress them up a bit. So we'll see how that goes. And I've got a new file here. This is a single bit file, but since it's new, you can see how sharp it is. It's just taking bits of metal off like hair. So while it's efficient, it actually kind of slows me down a bit because I have to keep cleaning it out with the file card, but I don't mind. A little bit of discoloration on there actually looks kind of cool, so I might end up leaving that. So in one of my knife making videos, someone commented and suggested that I soak my blades in vinegar to take off the fire scale, so that's what I did here with the spears. So I've had the spears soaking in vinegar all night, so we'll see how easily that scale comes off. It looks like that vinegar worked very well. Took that scale right off of there, so I'm impressed. So you can see there's a bit of a patina on there from the vinegar. I'm going to try and even it up a little bit, but I think it does look kind of cool. And then as far as shafts go for the spears, I've got some 6-foot long poles I found at the hardware store. I think they're for like mops or brooms or something like that, but they just need to be whittled down a little bit. It seems to be of a pretty hard wood. I don't know what it is exactly, but it should work. Alright, so there you have it. All the spears are completed. I got 4 of them on these mop handles, or whatever the hell they are. And one of them I put onto an 8-foot shaft. And this, I'm going to put a battle standard battle flag on there for the movie. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you check out the description box below, you'll see some links if you want to support the film Sons of Roman, Sons of Vikings. But until next time, be more Viking.